I don't want this getting out to other contractors. I know it would be competitive. I want to dominate the market with Quilt. The company's been around since '94 in Washington, Mountain Lake Terrace. We joined ARS in about 2017. The climate's changed and cooling is more of an interest. So we probably see near 75% going to heat pumps. So we're on our second go around with a massive order with Quilt. Our guys love how it's a lower profile and not as big. They're able to install it a little bit easier. It's that smart technology. It's very user-friendly. I love the feature of the leads section of Quilt Tools. For all the leads that come in, we can manage them and see the flow. I think the diagnostic aspect of it is, where we'll know before even the customer has a real idea of what's going on, that we can be responsive and be ahead of it. Or we have a list of all the units. We can look at the operation, we can look at the efficiency. There's so many things that we can do to evaluate how their system's operating for whatever period of time and get the customers back in comfort sooner than later. So for me, that puts it above what other manufacturers have. I haven't seen that out to that degree in the industry. I cannot express strong enough the support Quilt gives. There's two important days of any system. It's the day it gets installed, and then it's the service after the sale. And we get that same degree. So I order, I get the delivery, and I'm not forgotten about. It sounds kind of goofy, but it's almost like you're dealing with a friend. This is going on our 7th month. It's just very cooperative. So with the traditional manufacturer that's been in the area, Quilt is giving them a run for their money.